Welcome to our YouTube channel Uttarakhand Education Diary. The most expected question for UGC NET 2020. So the first question is, the only truly continuous pressure belt on the earth is, that is, equatorial low pressure belt is truly continuous belt because here the sun rays fall vertically through out of the floor, causing the area to be very hot. Next question, which two global winds originate from subtropical high? So trade winds and the westerlies are correct answer. Subtropical high pressure belt lies between 30° to 35° north and south of the equator. From this belt, trade winds blow towards equator and westerlies blow toward the subpolar low pressure belt. Next question, an aircraft is flying at an altitude of 10 km. At that altitude the temperature is minus 40 degrees Celsius. What is the ambient temperature on the ground? So the ambient temperature on the ground is 25 degrees Celsius. Next question, which one of the following is not necessary condition for condensation? So high altitude is necessary for the condensation process. Condensation is a process by which vapor changes into liquid or solid form. For this, high altitude is not necessary condition. Question 85. Which of the following does not enhance the instability of air? That is, radiation coming from the earth's surface to the sunset. It is a correct option. Question number 86. The speed of ocean current is about 2% of the prevailing wind. Next question, the ocean water was iceberg from free during the era, that is Mesozoic era. The salinity of sea ranges from 3 to 10%. Question number 89. Select the correct answer from the code. Here is given the river in list C. Second, there is given sediment transport to the ocean in tons. So Ganga 1600 ton and Mengung, that is 1000 ton. Brahmaputra 720 ton and Yangtze, that is 500 ton. So option C is correct. 90 question, the place where an organism or the community of organisms lives, it is habitat. Next question, photosynthesis is a process of radiant energy converted into chemical energy. Next, 92, widow's water remain between ground surface and the water table. Next question, which one of the following is not a micronutrient? Iron is not a micronutrient. Question number 94, the concept of law of primacy was given by? It was given by Mark Jefferson. Question number 95, to which school does Aristotle's locational theory is the question number 95, to which school does Aristophanes, the father of geography, belongs to? Aristophanes belongs to the Greek. Next, question number 96, von Thunen agriculture model locational theory is based on? It is based on the normative approach. Question number 97, who was greatly influenced by Laplace's trilogy of place, work, folk and adapted alternate trilogy of environment, function and organism? It was Patrick Geddes. who was greatly influenced by Herbert Spencer theories, along with the Lie play theory. He established Spencer's theory on Lie play's theory of place, work, folk, and alternates it as environment. Next question 98. Which Indian geographer has written a book, Geography of Puranas? S.M. Ali has written the book of Geographies of Purana. Question number 99. Match modern Indian geographer and field of specialization. R.L. Singh, the settlement geography, and G.S. Ghoshal, population geography. C.D., that is urban geography, and V.L.S. Prakash Rao, that is regional development and planning. So the option C is correct. The 100th question. Who among the following scholar is not related with behavioral approach? That is why Fu Tuan is not related to behavioral approach. 101. Which one of the following state in India has the lowest population density in the latest census? That is Arunachal Pradesh, 17 person per kilometer square, and J&K 96%, Mizoram 86%, and Sikkim it is 86% and Mizoram it is 52%. So the lowest density is of Arunachal Pradesh. 102. Which of the following stages of demographic transition indicate the state of underdevelopment? That is high stationary stage. 103 question. Which one of the following district in India has recorded the highest sex ratio? That is Mahi is 184% per thousand male, and Almora in Uttarakhand 142% per thousand, and the Alwar Rajasthan it is 895, and the Tamil Nadu it is 1035% per thousand. So the correct answer is A, Mahe. Next 104. Which one of the following density is calculated using the formula ED, where N is the number of inhabitants and K is per capita quantity of requirement, S is in square kilometer, and K is quantity of resource produced by per kilometer. It is arithmetic. Next 105. Which one of the following measures central tendency used to indicate the center population? It is mean. Next 106 question. Which concept relates the population size to the land area with a view to assess pressure of population upon the resource of the area? It is population density. 107. Which one of the following religion has maximum territorial region of dominance in the world? It is Christianity. Dominate the maximum territorial region. Which one of the following group can be grown in the area having temperature 20 degree to 27 degrees Celsius in annual rainfall more than 150? It is rubber. Question number 109. Match the following, and that is Weber Smith. Weber, it is the correct option of 109 is the option number. Weber give the maximum transport theory, and Smith give the maximum profit. Hotelling give market competition, and Hoover did the minimum production. So the option is correct. Next question 110. Whittlesey classified agriculture system of the world. How many agricultural systems were identified by him? Whittlesey, there 13 classification were classified by him. Question number 101. Which one of the following is unrelated to the dimensional action of mass movement? It is exploitation. Exploitation is the process of breaking, splitting and peeling of outer rock layers caused by the expansion. Next question is 112. Question number 112. Which one of the following features are unrelated with the mountain glacier? That is, correct answer is fjord. Only fourth. It is a long, narrowed inlet of sea bounded by steep mountain slopes which are great height and extend to be considerable depth below the sea level. And the surf, damp and air are a glaciated topography. Question number 130. Morphology of the earth was given by L.C. King, and it was given by the L.C. King, and principle of physical geology was given by Sparks. Geomorphology A. Arthur Holmes, and principle of geomorphology W.D. Thornbury. So the correct option is option number B. Option number B is correct. Question number 114. Which of the following are the evidence in favor of continental drift theory? The question number one, option number A is the correct. Jigsaw fit and fossils in different areas are two evidence to support. Option number A is correct. Thank you. Have a great day.